I'ma call up Brian, I'ma FaceTime Ryan, I'ma text Lorenzo, and I'ma leave you crying. Don't get it twisted, I can play this game too. How would you like it if I did the same to you, yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vaughn. Today I have my best friend
Jamie
and her beautiful daughter. We'll be doing face masks from Sephora. And mine is the Purifying.
perfecting.
Mine is the Perfecting and Brightening.
And mine,
Brightening.
Yeah, and mine is Purifying and Detoxing. So we're gonna take it out of these cute little packages and we're gonna put it on our face. 15 minutes. We already washed our faces. It says to wash your face. And then we're gonna massage it, and then once we do all that, we'll come back. Because it has a little tab right here.
You say you love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Come in as if in the morning.
So do we put them together and then peel them off?
Just a friend. Okay. My intuition lies. There's nothing you can never hold. Already got the screenshot, so there is no need to deny. You've been creeping and freaking and sneaking like you'll never lose me. Steady claiming that everyone know we together, but you steady choosing. Swear I cannot win for losing. I've been out here being faithful. I always got this on lockdown, but that ain't been keeping us stable. So I guess I know what I gotta do. Give you a taste of your own medicine. Hey, yeah. How would you like it if I do the things you do? Put you on do not disturb and entertain these dudes. I'ma ride them crazy and you never have a clue. Give another guy everything that belongs to you.
Alright, so guys, while we sit here and wait, we're gonna ask each other questions. So this is kind of like the best friend tag video also. Alright, so now we're gonna ask each other questions because we're waiting 15 minutes for the face mask to, we're waiting for the face mask to do its process. So my first question is, what is my dream job?
Well, we've been talking about this for a long time. Your dream job is to be a pediatric nurse.
What is my favorite animal?
Your favorite animal? Is a dog?
What is it? That was a trick question. I hate animals, and
oh yeah,
the most least one that I like is dogs. Okay, so that was a fail. How many nephews and nieces do I have?
oh my gosh, 6. Seven.
What is my favorite food?
Macaroni.
Macaroni and cheese? Yes. How can I say this? Which body part did I have surgery on?
Your knee.
Oh, I thought that's good. Yeah, that's it. I thought she was gonna say my legs. So
what am I obsessed with?
Well, I know a few things you like. I know you like Benjamin Franklin music. What are you obsessed with?
Yeah.
Is it an object or is it like
anything?
Pimples?
Yeah. How did you know that? Question number 2. What's my worst habit? This is opinionated, I guess.
Worst habit?
Like, as your best friend, what habit do I have that you can't stand?
Sometimes when we have conversations, she's brutally honest with me. But I wouldn't say that's, bad. But, what was the question?
What's my worst habit?
That's all I can think of.
Brutal honesty?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. What am I really good at? These are more opinion questions.
Being a parent, hardworking, advice giver, best friend, all that.
Thank you.
Give it up. You felt the connection.
Okay. When is my birthday?
July. Oh man, I always get it mixed up between you and Kathy.
One unique thing about me
that others don't know. That only a few
that
know.
Only a couple people know.
You're good at writing, and like your essays and stuff like that.
That's so true. I can also sing.
Yeah, she can sing actually, and she talks different languages. Alright guys, so we're just gonna let these sit on our face just for a little bit longer. How much longer we got?
3 minutes.
Alright, so once these get done soaking and baking and raking.
Baking, flipping and whipping.
Alright, so after these get done processing, we're gonna come back on the camera and we're gonna show you guys the end results.
What was your mask again?
Perfecting and brightening. So it's just gonna like make me even more beautiful than I am.
You should be popping after I take this thing off.
Should be giving you a little glow. What's which one did you do?
Purifying and detoxing.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one.
Especially for my face. Work outside.
Yeah. Get deep into the skin.
Mm-hmm. This does feel good.
Yeah.
This feels so strange. It feels so good.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I had the brightening and perfecting, and you had the what?
Purifying and detoxing.
Yeah, so I think it did kind of, sort of good.
I would give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, me too. Thumbs up, like and subscribe. Comment down below if you would like for me to do any more videos with my best friend and her daughter. Bye guys.
Bye.
Twisted, I can play this game too. How would you like it if I did the same to you, yeah?